everyone, I'm Daikashagi in DGX. I'd like to introduce install case of LED screen is completely unhelpful. Actually, it was popular last time. Thank you so much. So this time I will introduce part 2. Yes, alright. So let's get started. Part 1 is iron can. Now this is an example of Eric Price. This is a what club event looks like at inside. Large LED screen is installed on the ceiling as a moving light combined to create a purple effect. Very cool. And this is LED screen. This is a LED screen is hanging by a winch system. This winch system is moving, and his music is very good. His music is great, but he is not only it. The production team that supposed to is also great. It's a great example. So I like this movie. Let's go to the next. Yes, it's a huge LED screen in Xi'an, China. Please look. This seems to be about 30 meters in size. It's inside a shopping mall. Please look at this LED screen. It emits diamond-like light. I think this is great. Probably you can never see like case in Japan. Too large of this LED screen. The end, this will be directed by overseas night shop. LED screen installed this shop. Creator production you've never seen before. I will that LED screen is a good example that it can be used not only for displaying images but also for art. This example is very cool.